happening to me? This charger looks too boring. Take some light clay. Roll out white clay and twist it into a pyramid. Make a few pyramids of different sizes. Now take the charger and cover it with white clay. Stick a smooth oval piece of clay in the center and glue the pyramids around it. Attach horns and make a cute face. Bah! Your lamp charger is ready! It looks so cute! Way better! For the next idea, take a couple of plastic cups and a tube from toilet paper. Make round cuts the size of the tube in the cups. Insert the tube in them. Make a rectangular cutout. Next, take some acrylic paint and paint the piece in white. Cut a ping pong ball to make yolks and put one in each cup. Take a piece of foam rubber. Cut out a couple of pieces of toast. Draw a crust and kawaii faces. Put them on the cups. Put your phone in the slot on the sleeve. Put on your favorite song. I love it! A sound amplifier is exactly what I need. There's only one drawback. I want some toast now. And now you need foam paper and a cable protector. Cut a few bats out of foam paper. Go over the outline with a permanent marker and draw eyes on one figure. Make the second piece completely black. Next, take glitter, a piece of plastic, and a piece of baking paper. Place the plastic on top of the baking paper. Pour in the glitter. Put the bat on top. Cover it and iron it. The plastic is sealed with the glitter inside. Add a little shine to the other piece. Glue the bat to the protector. Put it on a charger cable. This phone needs a hero, Batman! The charger is under Batman's protection. Do you have an old torn silicone mold around the house? Don't throw it away. Draw a paw on it. Cut it out. Make one more paw. Take light clay and make a couple of small hearts and 4 small oval pads for each paw. Glue the parts to the silicone. Take your headphones and glue a paw to each of them. Done! The headphones turned out so cute! For this idea, take an old watch band and a cork. Cut off part of the cork with a utility knife. Make a couple of cuts at the bottom and in the center of the circle. Glue a magnet in the center and glue the watch band with the magnet to the cut below. Paint the cork the color of the strap. Draw a winking face with a thin brush. Glue a necklace from Pompons. Fasten your other piece. It's the perfect size for headphones and no more tangles. And now take a phone case and some paint. Paint the background one color. Take slime and a balloon. Cut the narrow part off and place the slime inside the balloon. Close the cut so that the slime won't escape and glue it to the center of the case. Next, take a capillary pen and a marker. Draw small eyes, a wide smile, and legs. Make wings and feet out of pom-poms. Test the stress-relieving duck. It loves having its tummy scratched. So cute! Next, you need plastic sticks. Fold them into a shape like this and glue them together. Attach another detail on top. Glue the legs to make a frame. Next, take some wool and cover the piece to make fluffy paws. Glue on a pom-pom for a head. Wrap it in a piece of white fabric. Glue on ears, a soft tummy, the eyes. As soon as the glue dries, the panda stand is ready. Stop looking for where to put your phone so you can watch a video. This stand will make your life so much easier. Old torn headphones can still be useful. Cut the plug off. Take a silicone mold. Cut it in half. Wrap one of the halves around the plug. Secure the joint with a clip. Take light clay and fill a cup with it. Make a brown base and lots of whipped cream on top. Add eyes and a smile. When the clay hardens, you can use the plug. It looks delicious! And now take a regular phone holder, pipe cleaners, and foam rubber. Cut a circle out of foam rubber the size of the holder. Glue them together. Decorate the outside with a pipe cleaner. Next, make a horn from sticks. And glue it to the holder. Attach eyes. Decorate with glitter and beads. Draw kawaii blush and a smile. Attach it to the phone. Wow, it looks great! The best part is, it's totally unique. For the next idea, you will need a portable charger, a piece of fabric with double-sided sequins, and brown light clay. Take a stencil, put it on the power bank. Go over it with a capillary pen. Glue the shiny fabric to the power bank so that the edges don't go beyond the borders. Cover the free area with light clay. Make a pattern with a toothpick. Glue on a bright face. Emphasize the eyes. Glue a nose, blush, and eyes. Wait until the clay dries. Now, it is not just a portable charger. This is the sloth sitting in the trees, and it is ready to charge your phone. And now take a waterproof phone bag and self-adhesive foam paper. Apply a sheet to the bag. Cut a rectangle. Make a cut in the bottom. Next, cut out a cactus from the green foam paper. Glue it to the base. Draw a pretty face. Add spines and insert it into the bag. Now your phone won't be boring. Just like your phone, the cactus doesn't like water, but swimming in a waterproof bag is just fine. Next, take a flash drive. To transform it, take a few colored rods for a hot glue gun. Remove the cap, cut the rods into small pieces the size of the flash drive. Cover the flash drive. Fill in the design with an even layer of glue. Take a piece of parchment paper. Draw squiggles on it with hot glue. When they harden, glue them to the cap in the form of tentacles. And now take paints and draw a face for the octopus. Put dots on the tentacles. Wait for the paint to dry, and you can let your octopus swim through the seas of information. For this idea, take a computer mouse and some paint. Paint it white. Next, draw a purple outline. Add a triangle-shaped beak and flippers. Now paint eyes with a thin brush. Draw the eyelashes. Don't forget blush. Take a piece of shiny foam paper of the same tone. Cut a heart out of it. Cut it in half and glue it instead of wings. A cute little penguin will help you surf through the pages. It's the master of surfing. Did you like our new craft ideas? Which one do you think is the coolest? Comment below. Like this video, click on the bell, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.